How you guys doing? Today we're going to review the Javelot from Olight. If you go on the website, it's called the Javelot Long Range Outdoor Flashlight with Holster. And this is in OD green, my favorite color. Let's open it up. So it's going to come in that cool magnetic box that Olight uses for a lot of their higher end flashlights. This is the first one I bought that has that magnetic, but I've heard a lot about the higher end ones come with that. You're going to have your standard yellow placard. This has been opened already, just an FYI. This isn't a box opening. It has been opened. You can have your yellow placard in there. It tells you the information you need. Remove the safety things from the battery and stuff like that. All right, let's get the flashlight out of here. So it's going to come in here like this. It's going to be in the case. It's going to have its holster here. Then this box here. So let's get it out. So flashlight inside. Little holster here, belt clip holster. The flashlight itself, pretty nice looking flashlight. It's pretty solid, pretty sturdy. So that's what that. And then in the box, you're going to get, in here, you're going to have your charging cable, your proprietary charging cable with the magnetic end that charges it, like other Olights, and then the clip, pocket clip that goes on it. So you can use that as a pocket clip if you want, or in the holster. And that's what comes in this little box. It's in the bottom there. I didn't open the charging cable because I have a lot of them already. Then you're going to get your user manual and all that fun stuff in there as well. Let's put this back in here. Reorganize that pocket clip in there so it's not pushing that thing all over the place. Don't mind, you can hear the dogs in the background pacing the floor. They're waiting for my wife to get home, I think, and I just let them out, so they're all over the place. All right, this is kind of a pain in the butt to put this pocket clip back in here. And I don't think I'm going to use it on this light, so I'm just going to put it back in here. And it's going to stay in the box. All right. So the flashlight is a thrower light, so it's going to have a different front LED in there and a different type of setup inside your lens itself. It's considered a long-range thrower, and for its size, it does pretty good. The Warrior 3S is still my favorite light, and I've compared it with this in the field at my in-laws. This is a better at spotting long range, and it's just an overall better flashlight for that, even though the Warrior 3S does do a great job, which I will do a video on that eventually. And I will have video footage of this outside of my house as well. According to their website and according to their numbers and on the box, it is a 730 meter throw, max throw supposedly, and 1,350 lumens. 1,350 lumens is what this throws for light-wise. It's what was it? 134,000 candela is also what it says. So lumens or candela. You're going to have your button on the top, which is going to be your one press turns on, one press turns off. You can double click, goes to turbo mode. You can push one click, and then you're going to hold it. You can get to the next setting, that's moonlight. You're going to go to medium, moonlight, medium, moonlight, medium, high, and then double click and go, double click and go turbo, triple click, you can go to strobe light, tail switch, kind of a half depress, you can get moonlight, push it a lot, click it, you're going to get high, quick click, it's going to stay on, sorry, didn't mean to blind you, but that is the button functions on this, so you're going to get kind of a depress, moonlight function, long press, high output, turbo mode, click real fast, and let off. It's going to go on turbo. Jeez, sorry about the dust in the air. God, dogs just came in. So that is going to be your buttons on this. It's got, let's get this thing open here. I keep thinking I hear something outside. It's throwing me off. It's going to have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery and a 3.6 volt. It's the Olight 21700 battery rechargeable, which you will charge with that magnetic charger, proprietary to Olight. I don't know why the dogs are whining. They're being weird. Probably because I'm talking. Sorry about that. So you have all of that in the battery. The end is magnetic because you can charge it magnetic, but you can also stick to stuff if you need to for the magnetic base like other Olights do. And overall, OD green, my favorite color. I'm glad they came out with this in OD green. I'm still not 100% positive if I want to keep this one for its desired function, or if I want to get a different one of the bigger, more expensive ones for like the Javelot 2 Pro. I haven't decided yet because this one, jury's still out on this one. It does a good job, but one of the largest places I'm going to light up is my in-laws field. And my Warrior X3 did an excellent job at that. And still had this was better at spotting something at the very end of the field and highlighting that in its focus. But I'm not sure if I want something bigger to light up further out, like the Marauder 2 Mini or the Javelot 2 Pro. But this is definitely an excellent thrower, and you can mount it on the weapon light. You can mount it as a weapon light. You can get the tail switch push button that goes on this, and you can get weapon light mounts for it to put it as a weapon light mount, and that I think it would work good for. Overall, it is a very excellent flashlight, and the thing is, this one's nice and portable. It's smaller than the other ones, so that is the only thing that I do like about this, that I might keep it for. I haven't decided. I might sell it, put the money towards something else, and then get this again later. I do eventually want to have one to keep, because its portability makes it very nice for its desired function, its design function. Its portability is perfect for that. So getting a thrower of 730 or so meters and a flashlight this size is quite incredible. So that, I would say, if you want portability to put on your backpack, go hiking, bring up the mountain with you, anything like that, I would get this one because of its portability and ability to carry on the belt or in a pocket clip. Yeah, it's solid like all Olight products, Olight flashlights. It's got that solid metal body. It's got nice knurling on the front of the. See if I can't get that into focus here. Knurling on the front of the bezel there, and yeah, I don't know what else to say about it, because it does speak for itself. And like all Olight products, it's a wonderful product and carries their lifetime warranty and a great customer service. And it's just an overall nice flashlight that I do like a lot. And I like that it came in OD green and a couple other colors. I believe you can get it in green or black right now on the website. Depends if they come out with more later. Generally, it's $104.99 is its normal price, but sometimes it goes on sale. Like, I think they just had a sale recently, and these were going for, I believe, like $75. I'm not positive. I can't remember now. So they're not too expensive, where compared to the Marauder Mini or higher, you can go 200 plus. So this is an excellent in that price range for what it does. So I guess if you're weighing price versus functionality, I think this gets your biggest bang for your buck, but you can go in other directions if you want bigger and better. But I think portability wise, again, brightness and its function, this one is the way to go. And I would highly recommend it to anybody. And I will attach this review. I will also have, coming up after my rant here, my little speaking part, I'll go outside in the dark in my driveway and I will use it outside, and I'll probably repeat myself. But my driveway is about 100 feet long, so it depends on where I stand in there, to the wood pile, to the woods. But I'll point it in the woods, up the trail we have. It's a little bit more open. And kind of give you an idea of how it does lighting up. I should have taken a video at my in-laws, but I haven't gone there at night. And when I tried it, I wasn't thinking to take a video. So, yeah, I would recommend this to anybody. Give it a shot. This is my review. This is what I think about it and my information on it. I don't know a lot of the specifics, like some people do go into detail with the batteries and the lights, the LEDs, all that stuff. I just kind of want to do some reviews on my honest opinion and my honest feedback on it, my experience with it. So that's that, and check out outside. So that's low. That's low. That's medium. You see pretty good up in there. That's high. That's pretty good. You see pretty good. You see really well up there, actually. Pretty spotlight. Doesn't flood it, but you can spotlight it pretty good. And that's turbo. I really don't notice much of a difference between the high and the turbo. Medium, high, turbo. Really ain't much of a difference, I don't think.